Hello guys, welcome to Spot Area channel. Today I will give you tutorial how to download files from Google Drive on your Android. Before it, don't forget to be share of any our videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First, you think must have the Drive application that is more easier to you to access. Click Drive here and then click Home. There will be files that you want to be download. I choose the first one file here and click three dots in the corner. Click download and one item will be downloaded. See notification for details. Okay, download one file here from Liana and click download. Click the check up symbol here, and yeah, this is the file that you want to be download, and the download file is done. This is a tutorial how to be download your file from your drive on your Android. I hope this video is useful for you, and thank you.